Hey, yeah man, it's me again, Nigel, So I wanted to share with you guys real quick another project that I've been working on. So I've been trying to grow my beard, but I started looking on YouTube and stuff and seeing, beard oil and all of that stuff. So I'm like, wow, maybe I could make some beard oil. So I started to research about beard oil. So I made myself this little concoction. It was full, but I've been using it, and I've actually been seeing some really good results. So I was wondering, if you guys would like to be on the journey with me, making the beard oil. What I'm planning to use in it is Nigel Jamaican almond oil, of course, some neem oil, some moringa oil, and some Jamaican black castor oil, because we all know castor oil is really good for the hair, and that's like secret Jamaican ingredients from we are little babies. So, and I'm gonna add like other fragrance to it also. So what I would like is if you guys can tell me what kind of fragrance would you like to see, whether lemongrass, lavender, smoky, whatever. Just leave the comment down below and let us know what you would like to have in your beard oil. Because I'm using my beard oil every day, because being in America, I realize that the beard game is no joke. Yeah, serious business. So, have to get it on, Yeah, man. Jamaican style. All right, one love. Enough respect, guys.